Hello, Huskies, and welcome to week 4 of Distance Learning with Love. This is just going to be an extension of last week, so the video should be pretty short and sweet. Last week, you guys wrote your slam poems. You drafted and came up with one that you want to actually perform. If you're still in the kind of brainstorming stages, I saw on many of the documents that you guys had kind of answered some of the questions related to culture last week. But maybe not necessarily come up with the slam poem that you wanted. If you haven't already done so, please make sure that you do actually draft that and turn that in on Google Classroom so that I know which one you're going to be kind of working on this week. And if you've already done that, it is time to start working on performing it. So that is the goal for the week, actually. I want you Monday, first thing, look back through your work, finalize, figure out which poem exactly you want to do, say it out loud a few times, and that might help you figure out exactly the word placement that you want on that page. Once you've decided on that, then you need to really start rehearsing it, learning it, memorizing it if you can. If you don't want to, you can always just have some cue cards here so it looks like you're looking at us whenever you actually do perform it. But since it's only about 30 seconds to a minute in length, I think that we can probably all do this since that's all you're working on next week. So what do I have here? Translation, don't take long pauses just to eat up time. I can recognize that, I promise. Continue rehearsing again on what normally be our block days. You might even perform it for somebody, if you want to get some feedback. And then the last thing that you'll do on Friday of next week is actually record it in Flipgrid. So let me show you what that is going to look like here. Look, you even have an audience, somebody who's going to snap for you when it's all finished. And of course, I can't wait to watch all of these. This note in here is the same as what's in Google Classroom. Remember that your voice is the most important and powerful performance tool that you have. Work on your pitch, right? High, low, your tones, intonation, the way that you actually say your poem. Are you going to say it sad or happy or whatnot, that kind of thing? What's your attitude about your topic? That's what tone is all about, really. And then pace. Are you going to say it really fast? Are you going to say it slow? All of those things really kind of help set the mood and tone of your piece. So think about those things and how you want to deliver it. Long pauses are cool, as long as they are for some sort of effect that we can all kind of pick up on and agree with instead of just eating up time, like I said. So then and lastly, we'll go back into Google Classroom. This is where you're going to see everything. The link will be here. You have to sign in, of course, and perform your awesome poem. And then that will actually be the conclusion of our poetry unit. So I know some of you are probably cheering and excited. Others maybe not so much, but the last thing that we do, our short story unit, is going to be really, really fun. Even though we're apart from each other, I think it can still be really powerful and cool. So get ready for that. Before you do so, one last poem, so make it really count. And if you have any questions, need me for anything, please do reach out. All right, talk to you soon.